Here's the Nissan Kicks. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the hatch. Now we need to take out those two bolts. They are the ones that are holding the light in place. Those bolts are both 10mm. You'll need a 10mm wrench or a socket ratchet combination to get the bolts out. Let's go ahead and get them out. Now we need to push this light to the side, not to the rear, to the side. There are two pins which are holding this light into the body. Right over there. So just push it and it'll pop right out. Those are the two pins, 1 and 2, they go right over there, and those two holes are where the bolts go on. Now that's the bulb holder for the turn signal light. Just grab it and twist it left to loosen it, and out it comes. Just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. The bulb size is 7440A. A is for the amber color. Check the link in description to buy the new bulb from Amazon. Get the new bulb and push it on to secure it. And now when you put the bulb holder back in the light, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in like this. That's good. Now just twist it right to lock it. Position the light. Now we need to make sure that the pin goes in the hole there. Alright, that's good. Now let's make sure those two other holes where the bolts go on, they are aligned. Not yet. Give it a little bit more push. And that is good. The holes are lining up now. Let's go ahead and get the bolts and tighten them down one by one. The lights are moving, that's good, and that is pretty much it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.